What's going on, guys? It's your boy Squeeps here, and in today's video I'm gonna be installing, I don't know where it's at. Hold on one second. Okay, so a little USB thing for my mirror, so that way it doesn't take up the one on my radio. I came to the conclusion that it would be best to put it here and then run the wire up here, all the way down here, and then somehow into here and popping out right here and just immediately plugging straight in, because I don't really want it to dangle and I just kind of want it clean. So we're gonna figure out how to do that. Man, it's really dark. I'm gonna take this out, take it in there, and get ready to cut the hole. Perfect. Smallest one. I know you can't really see that little mark I made. Well, you can. There we go. That's what I'm gonna do it. Clean. Me being the natural born genius that I am, I managed to cut the wrong side. I wanted to cut this side and I cut this side and I was holding it upside down. Okay, so just showing you what I have wired up here. I've spliced into the back of the ignition wire that only cuts on the radio whenever the car gets turned on. Look at that black. I don't know what is in my car, but it like melted. But this is spliced in now, and of course it runs down to the fuse box to the fuse, I guess. And then this is gonna go into the back of the thingy, the charger. So I'm gonna set a ground and I'm gonna wrap that up in electrical tape just so it's nice and secure. So while I'm in here, my radio has been kind of messing up a little bit lately, and I think it honestly was this wire. It wasn't anything to do with the back of the radio, it was this one. I think it was loose, but this goes into the fuse box. So while I have everything out, I'm gonna go ahead and redo a lot of these wires because it seems that the electrical tape has come off. So that way this is more secure and safe and overall just works better. Okay, so I don't know what in the world this was so hard for, but I got all the wires cleaned up. You can't see them. Got the wires running to this. This thing's installed. Looks pretty good. It's slightly tilted this way. I want to get this new dash. But anyways, that's in. Redid the wires. And then this is tapped into that fuse, which that fuse is a... what is it for again? I think it's for my power top, but mine's a manual, so that fuse is basically blank. Also, something I figured out, which kind of makes me mad, was that this fuse, if you know anything about fuses, take a look. Can you see that in there? This is for my cigarette lighter. So when I first got this, I was trying to plug it into my cigarette lighter and it wasn't starting. And this could be why. Actually, I'm like 95% certain this is why. Oh well. Now, where are my keys? We're gonna test this out. I reconnected the battery. And let's hope this one works. I've recorded this like 3 times because I've tried different fuses. Okay. Oh. That's beautiful sight right there. Now, hopefully when we unplug this or whatever, it'll turn off. Yes, and yes. Beautiful. Now I need to run the power wire for this. I'm gonna go ahead and test it out, make sure it can turn that on. And then I'm gonna plug it in there and then run it down the side. Right to there. Got the power wire plugged in. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on by hand first. I think the battery's just too dead. So, oh wait, there you go. And cut off because no battery. So now I'm gonna put my keys in here. That should turn on this. Yes. And I'm gonna take this and plug it into you. And then it should turn that on maybe. Is it charging? Yes. Yes. Oh, because this thing was not wanting to work anymore. Look how freaking dirty that thing is. But this was not wanting to work, the USB, and I wanted to have it for my... I want to have at least something to charge my car, or my phone. That's so nice. So nice, so nice, so nice. I gotta get an SD card. Actually, I have one in there in the house. But, there you go. I'm gonna throw everything back together and show you after I run this line through the car. Okay, got the wire plugged in. Running down the side right here, underneath here. That way you don't see it, and I got it coming out over here. I'm gonna throw the vent back in and figure out what to do with this, how to make it something like this. Here we go. Got it all buttoned up, except for this. I gotta put this pillar back on, but you are back on, this is on. Oh, and I managed to squeeze it up right there, right on the corner. And I think that looks okay. I didn't really want to make an extra hole anywhere on the dash, but now we're gonna test and make sure. Let me get my keys. We're gonna make sure that it all works. Okay, that turned on. Radio is on. Now this should turn on. Yes. Oh yeah. And then if I turn it off, does it turn off as well? Yep. Sweet. Well, I'm gonna put this back up and I think I'm done. Oh, let me close this here. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that's gonna be all for right now. Right here is the end of this portion. I know I have something coming on Tuesday that I'm gonna show you guys, and something's supposed to get here on Wednesday, so if I can record it before the video goes up, I will. If not, then I guess you'll have to wait till next week. But it came out really clean. I'll go ahead and show you real quick, final product. So like I said, let me grab my keys. This is it. This is it installed. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the car, or put it into the ignition. Here, let me put the top up. I don't know why my windows rolled down, but it's kind of slanted now that I look at it. Dang it. But that works. Radio works. Aux cord works. This thing looks pretty good. And I of course have that extra charger on the bottom. And then that USB works. I don't know what that pop was. I think I hit that USB or the aux cord on accident. But now it all works perfectly well. I forgot to show you. This works. Yee! I know you guys have seen it, but it just, it's so exciting that it works. I've used it like it's kind of been on and off. It's been like working but not working, and I think it's been because of that blown fuse that it's kind of not been working for a while now. But look at that. Hey, there's my hand. Hey, there's also my hand. Aww. Thank you, sir. Goodbye. Well, this is the end of the video. I just wanted to show the boxes. Oh, I need to get a video of the tires.
Bring them in and open them.
I'm gonna open them for the next video. So here's the tires. Got all 4 tires. There's all 4 sets of wheels. I'm not gonna tell you what they are. I guess you'll have to tune in next week and see them on the car and everything like that. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. There they are, a little sneak peek. But I'll see you guys next week.